3 discs, 1 tower on the left peg. Can you move the whole stack across to the right peg? Only the top disc on a peg is ever free to move. Reach for one buried underneath, and it's stuck. A disc can land on an empty peg or on top of a bigger disc. That's legal. But drop a bigger disc onto a smaller one, and the move is rejected. Move the small disc from the left peg over to the right peg. Move the middle disc from the left peg onto the empty middle peg. Slide the small disc from the right peg on top of the middle disc. Move the big disc from the left peg onto the empty right peg. Move the small disc from the middle peg back to the left peg. Slide the middle disc from the middle peg on top of the big disc. Finish by moving the small disc onto the right peg. The whole tower is solved. It builds forward planning, thinking several moves ahead before you touch a disc. It trains recursive thinking, solving a smaller tower nested inside the bigger one. And it rewards patience on the way to one clear goal. Ready to master the Tower of Hanoi? Head to PlayMemorize.com/Hanoi. Play it free right in your browser. Scan the code to start solving now.